What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy KashDaKoolDad, back again with another video. This time, this video is about my wife's Infinity, and we are doing a product review on. Let me get it out here so you guys can see it. The Proj ceramic coating. They say this is real professional level ceramic coating at a consumer level installation. So I bought the kit for 66 bucks off of Amazon. um I did a sample test on my Ram and on the hood of my Mustang. You can see that on my Instagram. The name to my Instagram is in the description. Patriots Nation. um It's on my story. If you want to see it, DM me and I'll send it to you so you can see it again. But however, if not, enjoy the video. Today, like I say, we're gonna be doing that. I have my 2 bucket method. I'm trying to hurry up and do this fast because the rain, man, it's supposed to rain by me, but the sun is kind of out, but it's not. So I'm trying to hurry up and do this. I'm not gonna use my pressure washer because my wife's vehicle has been treated in the past with shine armor and things like that. So I know her vehicle isn't too bad. Plus it's quarantine, so we can't really drive. So I'm gonna just spray it with some water out with the hose pipe. I'm gonna clapboard the hood mainly, and the front quarter panels. That's where I mainly want to clay bar. So I'm gonna do that, and once I do that, I'm gonna start applying the Proj products. I have the Proj ceramic wash already in my bucket. So yeah, man, without further ado, let's get to it, man. Hope y'all enjoyed this video too. If so, give it a big thumbs up, like, which is the thumbs up. Give it a big subscribe. That's the little button right there that says subscribe. And comment, share, do all that good stuff, man. Road to 1K. Let's get it. smells real good too. You get your ceramic coating and your applicator and you go to work. So I'm about to go to work. And you also have timers that you have to set. So don't forget about your timers. So I'm about to put it on the first layer, and then it's a 2-minute timer. Knock that out. Do this before the sun come all the way out, man. Tests and things like that, so you can see a deeper, more clarity to it. I only put one coat. After probably about next week or sometime, wash it again, and I'm gonna do everything besides step 1. Well, step 2, I should say, the prep, because I'm not gonna prep it. I'm just gonna clean it with the ceramic soap, and then I'm gonna ceramic coat it again, and I'm gonna let that cure for a couple of days, and then after that I'm gonna wash the vehicle again. When I wash the vehicle that 3rd time, because this is the first, next will be the 2nd, that 3rd time I'm gonna use some of the quick detailing spray to see if it's going to really enhance it, and I'm gonna take you guys along with that shine. So from today, every week, expect an update on this here vehicle, on these panels, panel here, hood panel, and a driver panel over there. So just be on the lookout for that. Keep it going. Oh, the sun's coming out. Perfect time. Look at that shine. Perfect time, perfect time. Appreciate you, Mr. Sun. But yep, let me go on and let this sit for 20 minutes, and I'll get back to you and let you see the finished results. And I'm also going to do the water test for you all. So hope you guys enjoyed it so far. Big ups to YouTube Magic. So I guess I can do. I guess I can. Do this. Wait, it's not working. Hold on. How do the YouTubers do it? Well, I don't think it worked. Is it like a magic word that you guys say? Let me see. Magic word is Subscribe. Oh, nope, wait. Comment, like, and subscribe. Wait, hold on. I think it's broke. He's inside. It's my mail lady, Miss Mary. She's asking for cheeseburger. I'm on YouTube. I'm doing a YouTube video right now, so. Yes. I'm trying to make it the YouTube magic work when you snap your fingers and everything is clear. So let me see if it's gonna work since Miss Mary here. 1, 2.
2,000 years later.
The 20-minute cure time. This is the final results. I mean, it's a damn good ass shine. I ain't gonna even hold you. That shine is nice. So I have some ketchup in my hand. They say ketchup's supposed to come off on ceramic coating. So I mean, I didn't see Proj say anything about it, Project, but I was like, what the hell, YOLO, right? So, let's go on there. Get the here ketchup going. Let's see what it do. Let's see what it do. This is a standard. It's just standard Heinz ketchup. This ain't nothing too major. It's just your standard Heinz ketchup. Got a little tomato sauce in there, a little salt and pepper, a little sweet running raised barbecue sauce. You know what they say? Like deep raised barbecue sauce. Alright, let's see. I'm trying to get it because I don't want it to get caught up in those. Alright, let me see. YOLO. Alright, so nope. I don't think it's doing nothing. I'm wasting ketchup. Say, bro. Alright, so look, it's coming down now. It's rolling off now. Alright, so let's see. And it's on what this is, vertical, so this is little to no pressure. This is little to no pressure. It's coming right off. Just beating up and just coming off, doing this thing. I'm bored this way so y'all can see it roll off. Look, let that ketchup. Alright, man, I definitely say Proj ceramic is a go. I ain't gonna even hold you. Look at that. Look at all the beads. Look at all the beads. See, look, and you can see where I didn't put the Proj at, right? I stopped right here. Well, the whole truck the water just running, but you can see it right there. There's a line. But I do the whole vehicle. I just wanted to do the major parts right now because, like I said, I was trying to beat the weather. The rain was coming down, but as you can see, it is just rolling. Yes, you definitely can see the two-toner from the front to right about there. So I'm gonna definitely have to do the whole vehicle. But yeah, man, this is a win. Proj ceramic coating, done by me. First time doing it, first try, and look at this. Shout out to having well water, right? I could just do this all day, but my wife won't let me. And cheeseburger need to go to class, so yep, look at that, just roll off. Baby, you wanna do something? Get that Sammy right there, that microfiber, and dry it off. Watch how easy this is. This is how easy it is. You know, men, we like to put strength with things, and we'll tell you we're not applying any strength. But I'm gonna allow my wife to just slap it on the truck and just dry it like that. Yes, baby. And like that, it's coming right off. You gotta do the whole thing.
The whole thing? It's hot out there.
My wife, y'all. It's hot out there.
I'm not doing this whole thing.
That's KashDaKool mom. Say hey.
You got me with a headscarf on.
I know KashDaKool mom. We doing everything big cat round here. Shout out to Street Speed 717. He ain't give me that Hellcat, but you know I ain't tripping though. You know, but yeah, it's my beautiful wife. She drying her vehicle off.
Not the whole thing.
And that's my daughter, Boonabugger, aka Boon, aka Bam Bam in the female's form,
Drop down.
aka do whatever she won't do, aka shout out to y'all, sub. Thank y'all for watching this video. And like I said, Project Ceramic Kit is a certified thumbs up. And if you guys want to see a training session with Cheeseburger, leave it in the comments and I could try to make that happen. But like I said, peace, subscribe, thumbs up, share this video, and we definitely go ahead and if y'all need to, man, I'm gonna try to get that sponsorship, man, so y'all can use my code, get y'all a few ducats off of, you know, the project. So again, the Project Ceramic certified win. Appreciate y'all time.